For future farming members of Wales, we'd like to see ourselves as some of the pioneers of the industry, and farming needs to become a career, not just something you go into and you stay at that level all your life. And I think that's where the industry will be going, that career development will become very important. And to create a CV off the back of things you've done that's tailor-made for an application, for instance, if you can see all your achievements in one easy to access location, then you can pull your CV together accordingly.
Storfa Sgiliau is an online facility for recording all continuous professional development, training and personal achievements. All Farming Connect activities are automatically recorded on Storfa Sgiliau, and you can upload your own personal achievements and records through MySpace. It's important that farmers keep themselves professional within the industry, and that they're able then to prove that the training that they have done and the time it's taken for them on their continuous professional development.
Through Farming Connect, I've learnt a lot. E-learning has made a huge difference to me. It comes in, you think, oh, I'll just go and sit on the computer, see if there's anything on there, and then hey, you click in, you think, oh, it was as simple as that. So it's there at hand when you need it as well.
It's good to recap and refresh the memory. I was invited about a month ago to the workshop in Dolgellau Rugby Club, and I felt that it was a chance that I had to take, because there's always something to learn all the time. As a result of the workshop, I'm going to work more closely with my local vets. There's so much talk about the worm resistance and all that, so it's important that we get it right.
We've got so many courses and opportunities within Farming Connect. Storfa Sgiliau is one place that will record all of the activities that have been done, and it's easy access to download.